Hello, it's Chris from the Customer Success team here at AgentRelay, and today I'm going to show you how to populate your company details and also the global settings. Okay, firstly, we need to ensure the account details are completed before adding Matterport spaces and users to the administration portal. So firstly, the company name. Enter the name of the organisation in this field as it should be recognised publicly. The company name is used in automated email notifications primarily, but also in other customer touchpoints. Ours is Bampton Estates. The billing email. It is the email address the organisation receives invoices and billing information from Paddle, AgentRelay's payment partner. Please note that this email address cannot be changed once added. Okay, next the address. Let's put the address in of our company. Okay, that's done. Now the privacy notice link. AgentRelay customers have the option to enter a link to their online privacy notice. If this has been added, a link to the privacy notice will appear below any forms in AgentRelay that collect personal information from visitors. Let's put ours in. Okay. Next, the default language. Choose the default language for users in your organisation. Users can modify their own system language. Let's put ours in, so that's already defaulted as English. Okay, next the logo. The logo will be visible within agent-accompanied virtual viewings and other visitor touchpoints, including Matterport virtual tours, so ensure a high-definition company logo is uploaded. Let's put ours in. There we go. Right, let's save that. That's been saved successfully. Next, the settings. Set the global settings system parameters according to your requirements, which include the following. Firstly, the expiry of Matterport links sent after agent-accompanied viewings. The number of days a Matterport link will be active before expiring after the Matterport link has been automatically sent to a guest following an agent-accompanied viewing. That can be the number of your choice. Okay, so you can click up or down or put it in manually. Next, the registration delay time for Matterport tours. This is the number of seconds after which a virtual tour visitor is required to register when the delayed registration Matterport template is used. Okay, so you can put that in as you like. Next, enable maps and street view in viewings. This is a feature to provide integration with Google Maps and Google Street View, allowing agents and guests to co-view maps and street-level virtual tour content during agent-accompanied viewing. Enable Matter tags in viewings. A feature that shows Matter tags and synchronises the Matter tag content between agents and guests within agent-accompanied viewings. The viewing recording setting. This setting is currently managed by AgentRelay on the customer's behalf. This setting allows the customer to keep an archived copy of all agent-accompanied viewings, including chat, message history, audio content, and video conference recording. Customers should contact us if they would like to adjust this setting. Finally, the unit of measurements. This is the unit used to represent the size or area of the property throughout the system. It can be in square feet or square meters. Okay, once that's done, you can save. And there we go. We've looked through populating your company details and the global system settings. Thank you very much.